In today's video, I will show you how to make two super effective anti-dandruff hair masks that is natural and herbal. These masks not only fight dandruff but also soothe your scalp and nourish your hair. Get ready to say goodbye to dandruff and white flakes and hello to super healthier scalp. So let's get started. In this video, I am going to talk about a herb that helps to remove dandruff naturally. It is called Poduthalai powder in Tamil. In English, it is called Lippia Nodiflora. It is an herb that you can grow it in your garden. If not, I will leave the links in the description box where you can buy this in powdered form. We will be using this in powdered form for this hair mask. This herb has wonderful antibacterial properties. It is very helpful in treating dandruff. It has anti-inflammatory properties that works to remove smelly or itchy scalp. It treats dandruff without affecting or damaging the scalp. It treats dandruff without any hair fall. For the ingredients, you will need some Lippia Nodiflora powder. You will need 2 eggs and some fresh curd. Eggs helps to treat dry and damaged hair. It stimulates the scalp and nourishes the hair roots. Eggs are densely packed with nutrition and proteins such as biotin, vitamin A and vitamin D, which makes the hair healthy and shiny. Curd moisturizes the scalp and hair. It also helps to overcome dandruff. It helps to maintain soft and shiny hair. Take a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of Lippia Nodiflora powder. Crack 2 eggs into it. Always use eggs with the yolk to strengthen your hair. Add in 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. The consistency of this hair pack should be not too thick and not too thin. Section the hair and apply the paste using a brush. This hair pack shall be applied only on the scalp as dandruff is a scalp infection. So you can concentrate only on the scalp, leaving the hair. When you have covered the entire scalp with the paste, put a bun and wait for 1 hour. After that, wash your hair with shampoo or shikakai. There will be no need to use anti-dandruff shampoo with it. You can use your regular shampoo. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. Dandruff is a dangerous problem which can lead to hair fall if not taken care of. This simple remedy before washing your hair can help to get rid of dandruff and its flakes. It is very effective and very simple. You will need a lemon. Cut the lemon into small little pieces. Section your hair and rub the lemon slice randomly on your scalp. Make sure you cover the entire scalp by rubbing the lemon slice. Cover the backside of your scalp also. Lemon's acidity helps to balance the pH of your scalp, which helps to keep dandruff at bay. Its healing property soothes irritation and reduces itching. The citric acid present in lemon helps to fight dandruff from at the level of its roots. Alternatively, the strong antimicrobial properties of lemon also curbs the fungal activity happening on your scalp. It has antifungal properties, antioxidants, vitamin C and citric acid that fight dandruff and promote healthy scalp and hair. Clogging of follicles often leads to issues such as dandruff and hair fall. Lemon has antifungal properties that help to maintain the scalp's health. It helps to control the production of oil in your scalp. Lemon juice also helps to stimulate regrowth from dormant hair follicles. Lemon juice helps to fight against dandruff and prevents its recurrence. The juice helps to strengthen hair roots. It also helps to reduce excessive sebum secretion, which makes the scalp oily and causes the follicles to get clogged. It conditions the hair and makes it soft. It makes the hair shinier and thicker. Leave it for 1 hour. After that, wash your hair with shampoo or shikakai. There is no need to use anti-dandruff shampoo. You can use your regular shampoo. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. Do not use hair dryer to dry your hair. Do this every time before you take head bath. I hope these anti-dandruff hair masks help you to achieve a healthier and dandruff-free scalp and long strong hair. These are easy to make, budget friendly and packed with natural goodness. If you try any of these masks, then do let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends who are suffering from dandruff so that it will be useful for them too. I will leave the product links in the description box. Until then, next time, take care.